Are there any safety precautions hunters should take when shooting pythons?
Hello, python hunters and snake enthusiasts. Today we're going to talk about an important topic: safety precautions when hunting and shooting pythons. It's crucial to keep these tips in mind to ensure a safe and successful hunt.
Why is python hunting safety important?
Python hunting, like any other form of hunting, comes with its own set of risks and challenges. Not only are pythons large, powerful creatures, but they are also often found in challenging environments such as swamps or dense forests. Understanding these risks and preparing adequately can make the difference between a successful hunt and a dangerous situation.
What equipment is needed for safe python hunting?
When hunting pythons, it's crucial to have the right gear. This includes firearm safety. Use appropriate firearms for the size and species of python you are hunting. Always follow the basic rules of firearm safety. Treat every firearm as if it's loaded. Always point the firearm in a safe direction. Keep your finger off the trigger until ready to shoot, and be sure of your target and what's beyond it. Protective clothing. Use long pants, high boots, and gloves. These help protect against snake bites and also the general hazards of moving through potentially rough and uneven terrain. First aid kit. Carry a first aid kit with you, including items that can help treat bites, cuts, and other injuries. Communication devices. In the event of an emergency, a way to communicate for help, like a cell phone or radio, is essential.
What precautions should I take when shooting pythons?
Shooting a python safely requires taking a few precautions. Here are some tips. Identify your target. Make sure you have positively identified the python before shooting. It's also important to be aware of your surroundings and what is behind or near your target. Distance. Try to maintain a safe distance when shooting. Pythons can strike at a distance up to half their body length. Shoot in the head. A shot in the head is the most humane and also reduces the chance of the snake striking back. Safety after shooting. Even after being shot, pythons can pose a risk. Do not approach the python immediately after shooting. Wait for a few minutes to ensure it is dead before handling. Python hunting can be an exciting, yet challenging activity. It's critical to remember these safety precautions when going on a hunt. Be prepared, stay vigilant, and always prioritize safety above all else. Your safety is the key to a successful hunt. Happy hunting!